Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called What Are the Advantages of Working with a Remodeler That Uses a Homeowner Portal? Now, if you're thinking, what in the world is a homeowner portal? Just hang tight. By the end of this chat, you'll be wondering how remodeling ever happened without one. Imagine a digital command center almost as exciting as the bridge of the Starship Enterprise, giving you full control and insight into your home renovation project. So let's dive into why a homeowner portal is your new best friend. First up, there's transparency. With a portal, everything about your project is laid out right in front of you. Timelines, budgets, materials, you name it. No more guessing games or feeling like you're in a telenovela trying to piece together the drama. You get the full script, plain as day. Let's talk communication. I can't stress enough how vital clear communication is, folks. Through a portal, you and your remodeler can exchange messages, updates, and photos in real time. No more missed calls, lost emails, or scribbled notes that your dog decided looked like his next snack. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. A contractor who offers a homeowner portal is saying loud and clear, I'm committed to this project and your satisfaction. It's a virtual handshake that ensures all parties are aligned and informed, reducing surprises that can send your stress levels skyrocketing faster than a summer thermometer in Phoenix. And how about project management? These portals allow you to see the progression of your remodel with the grace of an expertly orchestrated dance. You can track milestones, approve selections, and even see if that custom backsplash you adore is on backorder. It's like having a behind-the-scenes pass to every scene unfolding in your remodel. Then there's the documentation. Every contract, every change order, every receipt, all tucked neatly into one digital folder. It's the ultimate in paperless peace of mind, ensuring you can access important documents faster than you can find the TV remote during commercials. Bottom line, a homeowner portal is about peace of mind and empowerment. It turns a potentially chaotic renovation into a coordinated symphony, where you're not just the owner, you're the conductor. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.